Welcome to the vlog. See this? It's a knob. That's the screw that goes in it. I'm gonna put a knob on this dresser thing that we brought home from the school the other day. It's going back to the school. I brought it home to paint it. So let's get the knob on. I gotta drill a hole, but also gotta put this on. This is magnetic lock-in clasp. So we will get this going. Try this again. That's how far it's out. It's out 1/4 of an inch. And the knob, it's, well, I guess it's recessed more than 1/4 of an inch. Okay, I'll have to redo that again. Take 27. Oh, shoot. Take 28. Let's hope that'll do it. There's our knob. Ha ha! There we go. One knob installed. Clip that I'm going to install here on the side, right here by the knob, and then I'll put the metal piece through there. Okay, let's get screwing that in. You can see I've stuck that there. That's so I can close it and know where I need that to be and mark it with my thumb. So that's where it needs to be. That's going to be the center. I'll take that off and use it to measure that gap, and we'll screw it in. Try this angle, and you'll see the screw falling towards the phone. Oh my god, I didn't try to do that. Any bets on whether it stays closed? Let's make some adjustments to this and move this out a little more. But, you know, stay. That is something else. Well, we got it working. Not that great though, but luckily we've got a second one. These are in a 2-pack, so we can put another one on. This door is a little sprung, so this will make a big difference. I don't know if any of you have ever tried to put things together with this hardware that comes with in the package. I typically throw that stuff away. I don't throw it away. I save it just in case and keep it in a jar somewhere because it's junk. It really is junk, but it's it'll do in a pinch, I guess. The worst I found are the screws for holding up blinds and mini blinds. I've had the heads of those break right off while I'm trying to start the screw into the the plug. They're made of rubber or something. They're not very strong at all. Oh, that's much better. I like that. That will do just nicely. Inspector to inspect the job. Look, watch this, sweetie. The kids can still open it, but
no, I don't mind. They're not allowed to open it, but
well,
as long as it
as
stays
long as it
closed.
closes, yeah.
Yeah, that's perfect.
Okay. Okay, back out here. Put some stuff away. I got this. This is going to hold my sail from falling down. Right now I've got one of these clips holding it. And I don't want the extra length of that to catch and rip the sail. It's also kind of in the way when you tie up the halyards to the mast. So we're going to install this up there. Let's go. So that's what we're replacing, and well, that's the nice end. Right in there. There. Doesn't lock in really well. What I can do about that? Well, I'm kind of disappointed with that. How that turned out, because it didn't turn out the way I had hoped. So, what are we gonna do? I'll tell you what I'm gonna do. Still has the possibility of falling out this one side. But it is snapped in nice now. I'd like it to go around that end. Let's take apart a brother. See if we can make it go around that end. Here we are. This one's broken. I've tried to bend the shaft, bent the ring. It's never going to be the same, this. Squeeze the ring. Just isn't gonna do it. I'm almost thinking I'd be better off to put a stupid bolt in there. A short bolt, but a bolt nonetheless. Might be my best option. I want something quick release too. Well, I've got the one on there that I just previous seen. This one's not going to cut it, and I don't think I'm going to wreck any more of them just to try and get it to work. Let's look for a bolt. Well, here's what we're going to come up with, I think. We'll go try this. I don't know what the shape of this head is called. It's not a pan head. It's close, but the pan head doesn't have this rounded, and the pan head has the flat. Pan-headed. Here's a pan-headed. It's a pan head. Like that, flat. Okay, well, let's go try this. Well, what did we learn today? Yeah, that's what I thought too. I guess we're not going to use this clip thing. I really had high hopes for it, but oh well. There are another style that I used on, what did I use it on? Something most recently. And they clip over the end of the end here. They clip right over. There's one on the wheel for the trailer here. That would be a better style. I'll maybe go online and take a look and see what I can find, because I really do like the clip over thing. But I'm talking to myself, sweetie. I mean, I'm talking to everybody on YouTube. Okay, what are you doing? Did you have ice cream? Huh. Good. I'm gonna have some too. No popcorn for me. I'm just gonna go with ice cream. Thanks, though. Way up. There we go. That's fine. So far this, well, I'll have to tighten it up a bit. But, yeah, that's it. That's what it's gonna look like. I'm gonna keep extra of these in the toolbox too. Okay. Let's call this a failure and move on. I got myself a good one. Anyways, let's wrap it up. Thanks for watching. Please click the clicky things. Remember to share, like, and tell your mom. Wash your hands and wear a mask and be nice to people. No hugs, and get a vaccination as soon as you can. Thanks.